Hello and welcome to ENG. It's story time and here's a fable for you. You have a few questions to answer after the story. So read and listen to the story carefully. Here's the story. Perseverance wins. Perseverance means never give up attitude. Perseverance wins. One day, some frogs were hopping through a forest. Suddenly, two of them fell into a pit. The other frogs, which were safe up, understood that the pit was very deep and there was no any hope for the frogs to escape out of it. Both the frogs in the pit tried many times to get out but failed because the pit was too deep. The frogs, which were safe out, shouted and said, "Don't try to come up. It's impossible." Hearing this, one of the frogs decided to stop trying and fell down to death. However, the other frog in the pit went on trying and finally managed to reach the top. When the frogs which were on the top asked him, "Did you not hear us?" The frog that had managed to reach the top said, "I am deaf, and I thought that you were all encouraging me to get out." Moral: staying within comfort zone without taking a risk is never wise. No pain, no gain. Try hard to achieve success and never give up. Now, based on the story, you have 5 questions to answer, and the time to answer each question is 5 seconds, and each correct answer carries 1 point. If you want, you can read the story once again and then take the test. Now to the test. If you like the story, give a thumbs up and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.